Nvidia and Palantir Technologies announced that they have entered into a new partnership that could change the way companies handle complex decision-making. Under this deal, Palantir will gain access to Nvidia's most advanced computer chips and artificial intelligence software. This collaboration is designed to help Palantir's customers make faster and more accurate decisions in complicated fields such as logistics, supply chain management, and global transportation. The idea is to combine Nvidia's powerful hardware and artificial intelligence capabilities with Palantir's deep expertise in data analysis to deliver solutions that can improve efficiency and reduce delays in real-world operations. Palantir, which has built much of its reputation as a trusted defense contractor, has experienced a major surge in its stock price this year. This increase is largely due to rising global defense spending and the growing demand for its military-grade artificial intelligence technology. However, Palantir is not limiting itself to defense contracts anymore. The Denver-based company is now expanding its business into the commercial sector, where it helps large corporations make sense of enormous amounts of internal data. Its technology can bring together information from different company systems, such as those used for hiring, logistics, inventory, and production, and then display that information in one place. This agreement between Nvidia and Palantir was announced during a major technology conference in Washington, where both companies explained their shared goal of using artificial intelligence to solve real-world logistical challenges. For example, when a storm disrupts shipments traveling from Asia to the United States, Nvidia's artificial intelligence can automatically create new shipping routes that avoid the storm. These artificial intelligence systems can then analyze each alternative route based on key factors such as product costs, fuel prices, and regional demand. By doing this, companies can choose the route that minimizes disruption and maximizes profitability. Justin Boitano, the Vice President of Enterprise Artificial Intelligence at Nvidia, explained that the speed of these optimizations is what makes them revolutionary. He said that because artificial intelligence can process data so quickly, companies can run these logistics calculations every single hour. This means they can re-optimize their supply chains throughout the day instead of waiting for periodic reviews. In fast-moving industries like manufacturing and retail, that level of speed and flexibility can make a massive difference in profitability. Even though neither company revealed the financial terms of this agreement, the strategic benefits are clear. Kevin Kawasaki, who serves as the global head of business development at Palantir, emphasized that artificial intelligence systems often struggle when dealing with vast amounts of disorganized corporate information. He explained that Palantir's technology helps clean up and organize those massive data streams so that both humans and artificial intelligence systems can interpret them correctly. When combined with Nvidia's computing power, this creates a new level of clarity that allows businesses to make decisions based on what is actually happening at that exact moment. Kawasaki also made an important point about how artificial intelligence should be used. He said that effective artificial intelligence tools must be grounded in reality. They do not need to predict the far future with total accuracy. Instead, they must excel at recognizing the present in real time. When artificial intelligence can understand the present moment clearly, companies can make more effective decisions from second to second, which can result in faster reactions and better overall performance. The rise of artificial intelligence in early 2023 marked a major turning point for the technology world. When generative artificial intelligence entered the scene, it completely changed how businesses operate. Companies discovered that artificial intelligence could dramatically improve productivity, automate repetitive work, and simplify complex operations. This new technology has opened up a financial opportunity so large that executives all over the world are eager to take part in it. This is where Palantir Technologies has found its advantage. Palantir has built a reputation as one of the few companies that truly understands how to turn massive amounts of data into useful insights. The company has both the systems and the technical expertise to generate real-time solutions based on data. The results of this focus speak for themselves. Over the past year, Palantir's stock price has increased by more than 323%, and since the beginning of 2023, it has climbed by an astonishing 2,850%. This remarkable growth has also led to a higher valuation for the company, which means that its stock is now considered expensive by traditional financial standards. However, despite the high valuation, many investors and analysts still believe that Palantir's long-term growth story is far from over. Palantir's success did not happen overnight. The company has been quietly developing artificial intelligence technology for more than 20 years. It originally built its reputation by creating software for United States law enforcement agencies and intelligence organizations. Over time, Palantir realized that the same artificial intelligence and data analytics skills it developed for government use could also help private businesses. By bringing together data from different corporate systems and providing real-time insights, Palantir created a new business model that gives companies the ability to act on accurate information almost instantly. With the rise of generative artificial intelligence, Palantir decided to expand its offerings even further by introducing its artificial intelligence platform, also known as AIP. This platform uses each company's unique data to build highly customized artificial intelligence solutions. Palantir also runs bootcamp sessions where its engineers work directly with clients to solve practical business problems. This hands-on approach helps clients see immediate results and gives Palantir a strong competitive advantage. The results from this strategy have been impressive. During the second quarter, Palantir's revenue increased by 48% year over year, surpassing $1 billion for the first time in the company's history. Adjusted earnings per share also climbed by 78%, showing strong profitability growth. In addition, the company's United States commercial revenue, which includes contributions from the artificial intelligence platform, grew by 93% compared to the same period last year and by 20% compared to the previous quarter. The total value of contracts signed within this segment jumped by 222%, signaling even faster growth in the near future. These numbers show a clear trend. Palantir's revenue and profits have been accelerating for 8 consecutive quarters, and that there are no signs that this growth is slowing down. The company's leadership has demonstrated a consistent ability to execute its business plan while expanding margins and profitability. Despite this strong performance, many analysts on Wall Street have expressed caution about the stock. Their hesitation mainly stems from Palantir's high valuation. The company is currently trading at 224 times its expected earnings for next year, which is far higher than most technology companies. Because of this, analysts are divided in their opinions. Out of 25 analysts who shared their views in October, only 4 rated the stock as a buy or strong buy, 17 recommended holding, and 4 advised selling or underperforming. This means that 84% of analysts do not currently consider Palantir an attractive buy opportunity. However, this cautious perspective may overlook the company's long-term potential. Wall Street typically focuses on results over the next 12 to 18 months, but the artificial intelligence industry is expected to grow for at least another decade. That means investors who can look beyond short-term price swings may still see tremendous value in the company's long-term growth story. Dan Ives, a well-known analyst at Wedbush Securities, is among those who remain optimistic about Palantir's future. He believes the stock could increase by another 122% and reach a market value of $1 trillion by the year 2028. He expects Palantir to maintain double-digit year-over-year growth for much of the next decade. He also pointed out that investors who avoid high-valuation companies have historically missed some of the biggest success stories in the technology world. There are 2 key lessons for anyone considering investing in Palantir. First, you need to take a long-term approach. This is not a stock that rewards short-term thinking. Second, you need to have strong emotional discipline because Palantir's stock price will likely remain highly volatile. There will be sharp ups and downs along the way, but long-term investors who stay patient could be rewarded handsomely. If you are intrigued by Palantir's potential but want to manage your risk, one strategy is to start with a small position and add more shares over time, especially when the stock price drops. Another effective strategy is dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. This approach allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when they are high, helping to balance your overall cost over time. Owning Palantir stock requires patience and resilience. The company operates in a rapidly changing industry, and its stock price reflects that volatility. However, for investors who can remain steady during market fluctuations and who believe in the transformative power of artificial intelligence, Palantir represents one of the most exciting opportunities in the technology sector today. Its track record of innovation, growing profitability, and expanding commercial presence make it a company worth watching closely in the years ahead. Essentially, Nvidia and Palantir Technologies have formed a new partnership that combines Nvidia's powerful artificial intelligence chips and software with Palantir's advanced data platforms to help companies make faster and smarter decisions in complex areas such as logistics and supply chain management. Palantir, known for its defense contracts, has expanded into the commercial market using artificial intelligence to process massive amounts of data and provide real-time business insights. The company's growth has been impressive, with revenue rising 48% year over year in the second quarter and U.S. commercial sales jumping 93%, despite its stock soaring by over 323% in the past year and reaching a valuation of 224 times future earnings. Analysts remain divided. Some believe the stock is overpriced, while others, including Dan Ives of Wedbush Securities, predict it could climb another 122% to join the $1 trillion club by 2028. Overall, Palantir's continued innovation, partnership with Nvidia, and expanding expanding artificial intelligence platform position it as a long-term growth opportunity for investors willing to handle volatility. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.